my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. Today we're continuing our video series designed to educate the public, so please subscribe to our channel. Oftentimes the question of parenting time comes up relating to the kids' school schedule. We'll be asked, can the parenting time adjust according to the school schedule? Well, that becomes important now. Why? Because now school's ending. We're hitting summer vacation. We're hitting about 12 weeks of time when the kids are not in school. Oftentimes, the parenting time schedule is geared toward the academic year. What happens in the summer? Well, in most cases where there's a visitation schedule that comes about from a custody case or a divorce case, there will be special provisions for summertime. The summertime schedule is generally going to trump your everyday schedule, the day in, day out schedule of parenting time. So there are different provisions that are normally negotiated in the summertime schedule, or whether it's a divorce or a custody case. So let me give you an example. The schedule may divide the 12 weeks in half. You get 6, I get 6. That may be fair. It may not work for every couple, because even though the kids are off from school, guess what? You and me still got to go to work, right? So it may not work out perfectly, and it may not really effectuate that much change because the schedule of the parents may be the same. But so if it's not that, it may be something else. It may, for example, provide that there will be a flip, or there'll be some alternating of the schedule. Or dad may, for example, have 3 weeks of uninterrupted parenting time in the summer to be used either consecutively or not consecutively, depending on what the parties negotiate. It's not uncommon to work out a situation where the parenting time involves some steady block of time to each parent. Why? Well, the idea is that at summertime you should be able to go on vacation with your kids without having to worry about the alternating weekends. Both parties should be able to take their kids, on a cruise, on a trip, go up north, go camping, and, you should be able to do that. The only thing you got to watch for is, of course, there's a Father's Day right in the middle there. There's Mother's Day, but that's really before the summer. So the Father's Day is the kicker, because that usually comes in the middle of June. Now, by then, a lot of kids are off school. So there may be a special provision that, irrespective of the weekend, Father's Day is with Dad. And so you may have to watch for that. So as you look at your parenting time schedule to determine whether or not the absence of school will impact it, you've got to look at what are the special days or the special holidays that may come up in the summer. Like I said, you're talking Father's Day, 4th of July, Memorial Day in the beginning, Labor Day at the end. So you've got to look at what the parenting time schedule says about those and whether or not blocks of time are allocated to each parent to take the kid on a vacation. If it's not, before you run into court and start fighting about it, talk to the other parent. See if you can work it out. How about you take 2 weeks in August? I'll take 2 weeks in July. That kind of thing. Or I'll take 1 week in the beginning of the summer, 1 week at the end, so that we can do that. And a lot of parents have been very successful in negotiating that kind of arrangement. If you have any questions or wrinkles in your parenting time schedule, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.